What's up, everyone? Welcome back to this Python for Absolute Beginners course. Now, let's see how to output something on the screen. Well, obviously, so far we've been doing some calculations, we've been doing some mathematical operations, and somehow we've managed to get outputs on the screen. So, say we do 5 plus 7 and we run this, we get a response which just shows 12 on the screen. Now, this is because the Jupyter Notebook that we're using by default just outputs something on the screen. But that's not really how Python works. Now, for Python to output something on the screen, you have to manually tell it to put something on the screen using a special um, keyword or a function. We'll look at function in a later course. But now, if we want to output something on the screen, we use a special function called the print. Right? It's called a print sign. So print, and then you open and close a bracket like this. So anything you put inside here, Python knows that you want to output that on the screen. So the same thing as well here. If we now copy this 5 plus 7 and put it inside here, then run it again, you see we still get the same thing. We get 12. So we got 12 before, and now we are getting 12 again. But now we are doing it the Python way, using the print keyword or the print function here. So, well, the nice thing is that with print, you can output anything at all on the screen. So I can do something like print and then open and close the quotes, and I say print Python is fun. And then if I run this, we get Python is fun on the screen. So you can use this to do anything. And then maybe I can also do something like print. Maybe we just directly print the 12 here and we run it, and then we get 12. It's the easiest thing to do in Python. So try this, try to print as many things as possible. Anything you can think of, you can try to write your name and ask Python to print your name on the screen, and Python should do just that. And then, try different combinations. And this is going to be a very, very useful keyword in the future in programming, and well, especially in Python, because other languages have different ways of outputting something on the screen. But since we are using Python, obviously it's the print. And again, as I mentioned earlier, the software we are using here, Jupyter Notebook, which is integrated in Anaconda by default, has this thing that you just write something on the screen. So um, if I say something like 28 and I run it, it will just output that for me. So anything I just want it to do, it's just output that. But that's really not how Python works. So behind the scene, we have to normally just run the print keyword or call this function, and it will be able to output that on the screen. So just go ahead again and try to do as many combinations as possible. Try to print different things on the screen. And in the next lesson, we will use this to do something really cool. I'll see you then. Bye.